All right, so a quick description of the Golgi tendon organ or the GTO, which is a sensory structure in our muscles, specifically in the tendons, and its function is to sense high forces in the muscle. So if you're lifting or demanding a large muscle contraction out of your muscle, the GTO senses that. Um, in a different module, we talked about the muscle spindle. The muscle spindle is in parallel with the muscle fibers and it is sensing muscle length. The GTO is in what we call in series, like trains on a track, your muscle belly, and then the GTO in series. So it is better situated to sense high forces in the muscle. If you do have a high force in the muscle and then it pulls on the tendon, right? It creates a tensile load in the tendon and it triggers this GTO reflex. You'll have the sensory neuron fire, the inhibitory interneuron, the motor neuron. So there's two synapses. And the response is a decrease in muscle activation or inhibition. So it's basically to prevent you from producing so much force that it will tear the tendon or the muscle itself. Sometimes this can be overly conservative. And it's one of the first neural adaptations when you start strength training, because if you start a strength training protocol and you don't change that sensitivity of your GTO, you'll get to a certain weight and always your muscles will turn off or go into inhibition and you would drop the weight. So as we start to train and get stronger, your GTO reflex sensitivity will adjust. And just to compare, we have the muscle spindle here. As I said, it's in parallel. And the result of the stretch reflex is to cause muscle contraction. The GTO, Golgi tendon organ, is in series with the muscle, and its response to its reflex is to inhibit the muscle.